Reactivated na si star forward Jamie Malonzo sa roster ng Barangay Ginebra, San Miguel matapos sa mahaba-habang kawalan ng aktibidad dahil sa injury. Kailan nga ba muling tatapak sa court ang Gilas Pilipinas do-it-all forward? Yan ang sinagot ng Ginebra at Gilas head coach na si Tim Cone sa ulat ni Rafael Bandayrel.
Matapos magarahin ng halos 10 buwan dahil sa calf injury, ni-reactivate na ng Barangay Ginebra San Miguel sa kanilang roster si Jamie Malonzo. Sa kabila nito, kapansin-pansing hindi pa rin naglaro ang 6'7" forward sa nagdaang laro ng Ginebra kontra San Miguel Beermen noong linggo. Sabi ni Coach Tim Cone, maayos na ang kalagayan ni Malonzo at tuluyan na itong nakarecover mula sa injury. Pero paliwanag niya, hindi muna pinaglaro si Malonzo upang hindi ito mabigla at nang sa gayon ay maiwasang maulit ang kanyang injury.
He's healthy, he's ready to go, but he's not in the proper true game shape yet. He's not in proper rhythm to play, and so he needs, he's could be any game. But right now he is healthy and he is cleared by the trainers. But now it's about really getting into game shape for him. And we don't want him to go in and not be in shape and then have risk injury again. So we want to make sure he's in 100% shape before he comes back.
Samantala, plano rin umano ni Coach Tim na ihanda si Malonzo para sa February 2025 window ng FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers kung saan sasabak sila sa isang pares ng road games na idaraw sa Taiwan at New Zealand.
He's still part of the 12, for sure, and we're just waiting for him to get healthy, just like AJ Edu. They are both, AJ was, had a minor injury last time, but Jamie's recovering from a major injury. So, as soon as I told him, as soon as he gets back to Ginebra and he gets his game going, then we'll activate him for the Gilas game.
Muling sasalang sa aksyon ang Barangay Ginebra sa pagpapatuloy ng PBA Commissioner's Cup ngayong Miyerkules. Gayunpaman, hindi pa rin tiyak sa ngayon kung makapaglalaro nga ba si Malonzo para sa Gen Kings. Rafael Bandayrel para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.